So then we've got these fire engines. Let's have a look at these fire engines, shall we? I'm fast running out of batteries, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a look at the back end of this XR. Oh my god. So there's this spare Range Rover wheel anyway. They've had the exhaust off and everything. Sierra XR 4x4 RS. That registration there, that registration's got to be worth something. They couldn't get this last wheel off though. No way. Ooh, trolley. Now that's a blast from the past. Woolworths. Look at the size of it. Look that for a chainsaw. That's a hydraulic chainsaw, isn't it? Oh, McCormack chainsaw. Now this is super low mileage. Now this is what you'd buy for a camper van. This is obviously used for the fire service. That step's gonna break. 55,000 miles. 55,000. Look at the door shuts. This would be an ideal camper. I'm going on, no, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry. I got to look at this Nissan. I've got nothing to say. I really haven't. I know this is a rare old beast. She's a dead old beast. What's the mileage on this old girl? No way. Is that right? 445555. That's never done 445,000. $445,000 miles. She certainly looks like she has though. Oh, that door's not going to stay on much longer. $445,000 miles, ladies and gentlemen. Oh god, that's really loose. She smells nice. Not too rich. She smells lovely. God. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that can stay on. Last on the road in 2001. We're getting a theme here, aren't we, ladies and gentlemen? Wow. Let's climb up onto this. Old fire truck. 77,000. That was quite simple to open. These are some real old girls, aren't they? Surprised that they haven't been, I don't know, put in a museum or something. Blackpool Airport. So these are from an airport. Blackpool Airport. Oh, this one's cool, isn't it? Look at that. Wow. That's got all the old Mother Nature growing over it. These have come a long way from Blackpool, to be fair. And these are the main gates, the main opening gates. Goodness me. What a cool explore. Well, then that looks interesting, that little arch there. We'll have a look through there now to see what other people's missed. Ooh. Oh, it's going to be quite hard to get around there. Oh, right in the eye. So you'd sit up here, spray whatever you need to spray in. And we're on the roofs, so I was going to go in there, but as you can tell, there's nothing in there really. There are vehicles up there, so we'll have a look up there in a sec. You can kind of get an image on how long it's been abandoned. These are the main gates, so these have been parked in here a very long time ago. You're certainly not getting anything out. No wonder this area is completely not easy access, because it is just piece of access. It's got a few more trucks out there. Yeah, that can stay closed. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fire trucks, 5 airport fire trucks. It's in this crack. Oh, we like getting ourselves in danger, don't we? Well, we'll get down and then go looking in there. We shall. Absolutely loving our barn. Oh wow, found an old tram. That's pretty cool, isn't it? An old tram. Can you get into this old tram? I'm sure you could, but it's got a bolt on it. Oh. Well, that's pretty good, isn't it? I'm stuck. Get the light out. Oh, shit, it's glass issue. Yeah, this is seriously old. Look at the workmanship. Look at this. All the details, all the glass. Patterned glass. Yeah, this is really special. Right, let's get out of here then. Let's get out, not out of this location, just this tram. Yeah, she's old. But look at this old barn. Look at those oak beams. Yeah, I know. You're here for the cars, not for wooden beams. We'll have a quick look at this Peugeot here. So someone started taking the door off to nick the door. Obviously got rumbled, but every single piece is missing from the front end anyway. That's a fancy umbrella. Hey presto, the door's now back on. It's not going to save it much though, because there's a registration anyway. She's trashed. See, the thing about this location is it's right adjacent to a public footpath. I kid you not. This location, any member of the public can walk past here. This is how easy this location is, so accessible to the public. This is why it's now known to the masses. Right, let's walk around here because I think there's a way in. See how nice it looks with all the doors closed. Oh, I wish I could save you, poor girl. Right then. So they're collecting fresh water, just in case the water rates get expensive. Don't fall over, Stu. Yeah, I know you want me to look in the lorry, so I'm going to look in the lorry, ladies and gentlemen. No, I'm not, ladies and gentlemen, she's locked. I'm guaranteed she's open this side because someone's took the first aid kit out. Oh, locked again. At least that's a good thing. No way. What happened to this chap? What happened to him? Yeah, only I could fall off something. Such an idiot I am. Oh, look at this. This was the office. Being ransacked of anything good. Oh. My light will probably go off now and I'll be stuck down here. Oh, I don't know. Right, let's go back this way. Not much in here apart from tip pulling machines. It's not very, doesn't look very nice, does it really? It's kind of barbaric. But everybody's gonna have some milk for their crunchy nut cornflakes. So when I came across this way, I heard a crunch. So I moved the cars quickly, and I've come past this way. I don't want to go that way. But I've noticed, look. There's a huge surface pit there. This pit is really long and full of water, and all this heavy stuff is kind of slanting inwards, if you know what I mean. Look. So I'm a bit apprehensive now going across that way. I don't fancy being part of a surface pit. Back in the tip pulling factory. So the owl, look at the owl. See the owl? Wow. That's cool, ladies and gentlemen. We're definitely going in here. Old film there, look. It's quite dark. I wanted to come in here to look at this tractor. I found another cool car. This place just gets better and better. The film down there, which I thought was a new film, it isn't, it's actually old film. These are old film. And somebody's opened them up and threw them. That's 16th of the 12th, 77. And somebody's opened these up to see what they are. That's an old film too, I don't know what year that is. Old, there's antique typewriter, antique sewing machine. This barn has been lost in time. Now to me this is a real barn find. Look at this old tractor. A diesel Ross. I'm not sure if I've ever heard of that before. I didn't realise that this place was going to be as amazing as it is. An old radio too, didn't even see that. Really old radio. So got an old radio, got old film reel, old typewriter, and an old sewing machine next to a really cool old tractor. That's awesome. And then in here, can you believe it? This has got full of old briefcases too. We'll go back to that in a second. Another old radio, look at that. That's really cool. These are Victorian lampposts. What are these? Oh, they're really cool. Nice colours too, look. I wonder what those are. Oh, this place is full of antiques. This is a lifetime collection. This is lifetime collection. Right then, we're going to do down here and then we're going to go up there. I'm almost certain you probably wouldn't have seen all this on other people's channels. I mean, this is a barn find of all barn finds, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, again, it's not overly exotic cars, but it's still a rare Morris barn find. They've nicked everything from it, bastards. This old phone. Was that in this car? Radio, telephone, how cool is that? Radio, telephone. It's got the keys there, look. Tax discs here. Oh, she's an Audi, 1988, can you see that? 1988. I reckon this old girl can easily be saved. She's not in bad standing, really. She's not in bad standing at all. Morris Minor 1000. I mean, look at that paint job. It's like a blush purple. Look at that, look, an old camera. An old Kodak. Really old Kodak camera. Instamatic. That is awesome. I like that. Look at that there, look. Side lock injector, wow. There's just antiques after antiques after antiques. The antiques are everywhere. I mean, they're just everywhere. Everywhere you go, there's antiques. You can tell idiots are being here. They've gone through everything. They're probably seen that gun book and thought, yeah, let's find a gun. Got the old Jeremy Clarkson in the back, and they're brand new, they are. Brand new hammers. Brand fine new hammers. Haven't even been used. Well, you can tell it's not that. Modern things have been here, so. Oh look. Look at this, look. Box of brand new hammers. That's pretty cool. You don't see that very often. Box of brand new hammers. Like I say, this place has been rinsed by a lot of people. An awful lot of people have been here. If there was anything half decent here, it's now gone. Oh shit, don't make that noise, you. So there's a really big house over there. What we're going to do, we're going to kill the camera here. I'm going to walk over to the house and see what's over there, because I've only got 15 minutes of record time left. I'll be back in a minute, ladies and gentlemen. Is this place abandoned? Or what? You never get in the cars out of there. That's for sure. Like I say, I've never seen a video of this location, so I don't know if this person lives here. But what a mansion, what a building. I'm going to make this a separate video for this mansion. I'm not sure if the chap lives here or anybody lives there, but that scaffolding has been on there a long time. This building has had no work done to it in a long time. If the bloke comes out, I'm going to ask some questions. I really am. So first is this beautiful mansion. Got an M Sport E24 here. Wow. Got bricks on the roof too, so obviously the sunroof must have leaked at some point. Got two Citroen Prestiges here. We've been caught, ladies and gentlemen, by an old bird. So you got to walk Paul this way. So hello, welcome to sunny California. Right then, we're at the iconic Land Rover graveyard. Kind of graveyard. You ready to look? It's going to blow your mind.